How are you there, and welcome to this business pilot tutorial. Today we're going to look at how to add customers, how to add products, and how to make a sale. So you can sign in into your mobile application in this case, and the system is pretty intuitive. There is the home, there is the store, and where you can basically take stock and see how stock is taken. Going back, there is of course the sell button. Here we can do the expenses and the customers where they are added. So now adding a customer, we have two options: either to sync from the contacts or adding manually. Here we are adding manually. We can add the first customer, Rita Duase, put where she's from, and you can also add the email address if you need it, and any notes of what she wants. As soon as that is added, it shall be synced automatically to your account. You can also use the sync from contacts option, which allows you to, which will sync all your contacts. You click on one and you just add their location, and it will be automatically synced at that exact point. So you can use any of these two options. As soon as you add the contact, they will be synced directly and they can be visible from there. So you can that's the basic profile. You can call, you can see the different details. Right now we're going to see how you can add products. Adding products, you can either bulk upload or you just add a product. Here you shall be you add the product name. In this case, we're looking at Weetabix or cornflakes. You give it a description and the amount that that product costs, or that you're going to sell it at. There are different units in which you can measure it. For example, kilos. In this case, we are looking at pieces, because the Kellogg's and the cornflakes is sold in pieces. Now you need to know whether do you sell this item and it is used for sale. In this case, we sell this item. There are items that are not for sale, for example, that they're used. Maybe you have a pen, but this item is sold. And then do you track the item? The tracking of the item is if you want the system to track whether the stock is going down. If you're selling something that is not trackable, for example, a service, just leave that do not track clicked, but in this case we track it. And then we can also just take the barcode if you want to be able to scan and see how it works. So you just scan, and then you can get the Kellogg's and give it a quick scan, and its ID shall be recorded and saved into the system. So here we have successfully added Weetabix for sale, for as one of our products, and it is being tracked as well. Right. So we are now going to look at how to make a sale. So you just click on how to make a sale, and the Weetabix, all the products that are for sale will be there, right? You can change the quantity from there. You add, and then you can also adjust the quantities from up there in case you made a mistake. 3, let's just add it to 3. Right. So at this point, you can also scan the product if you have it. You can scan it, and it will automatically add it. You can it will add it as an item, every scanned item. Then you can also add the customer that you want to put, either the ones that you've already added, that were already added, or new customers. You can also add a discount to that particular sale, either by percentage or a fixed amount. So basically, you just put there the amount that you want the discount to be by, and it will be automatically added. So when you record the sale shall appear here. And in case you have not received any money, you just take it to 0. But if you've received part of the money, you put there, and then the different payment options can be added. So all this information shall be synced immediately. And when the sale is successful, and you can either continue selling or you go back home. And here you can see that the sale has been added, and yeah, and the partial payment also recorded. So if all the payment is made, you can do that, and the payment has been successfully made, and the transactions and the notifications will appear. So that was all for today's tutorial.